Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. This is for our Winnebago group. So if you haven't joined us on our Facebook, it's Winnebago RV Owners Maintenance and Repair in the RV Shop with Dustin. We encourage you to do so. So whether you're a customer, like this unit's in here for a spring summer tune-up package, getting it ready for the season. We do post a lot of pictures, problems. Sometimes it's repetitive because it's the same kind of stuff we're doing all the time. But it's good to have your input and your information as well. When we post our pictures, it's usually on our Facebook group, both on the business page as well as in some of our other groups. Again, we have like over 30 Facebook groups. We also have other social media groups. So we're on every platform. We're still building those platforms up just to kind of help spread the information for owners. So if you own a Winnebago, we don't actually do Winnebago warranty, even though I think we're set up in their system. It's more so an us thing. It's we're not comfortable with using the portal and the time that it takes to process everything. But we encourage you that if you have a Winnebago, you can come to us, whether it's under factory warranty or not. You can always we can submit everything to you. You can forward it to Winnebago. You can take care of it out of pocket and then get reimbursed by them. So we work with you and them to make sure that that they're not getting overcharged, or we're not overcharging anybody. That's not what we're here for. So we're pretty much a time for time shop. We try to get everything done as fast as possible. Most of our techs have like 20 plus years experience. Some of them have over 10, and we don't have a big turnaround like your regular traditional dealerships. So it's guys aren't working on flat rate or piecework. They're just here doing what they got to get done in a timely manner as fast as possible, so we can get you taken care of back on the road. But anyways, we encourage you to join our Facebook group, whether it's our business page or our individual manufacturer pages, so you can see what's going on in the shop, see what tips and tricks. Like I said, this one's here for some maintenance. If you go and check out our YouTube channel, I think we're up to like 22 or 2,300 videos now, and we got photo lists or albums in there so that you can kind of dig around and find out different things that can help you. You can also visit our articles on rvtravel.com or on our website as well. So we got different articles for both platforms, and those are to help you with guide you on repairs, tips, tools, tricks, and whatnot. So, all right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. This is Dustin from California RV Specialist, your RV Specialist. Talk to you soon.